is Bryant from Easy CyberQuest Incorporated, and I'm going to demonstrate the RX TX-1000 entrance alert set. Now this is the RX-1000A wireless receiver. The wireless receiver can be mounted on the wall, or it can be laid upon a table or a flat surface. And it can also be mounted up to 500 feet away from the transmitters. Now let me show you the back of it. With these terminals here, you'll notice you can add an extra speaker, and it also has the dip switches to where you can use these dip switches and change each one of these dip switches to the specific needs of each chime that you want to use. You have up to 4 optional chimes you can use. You can use one, you can use all 4 according to how many sensors you desire to use. Now it has also this volume control knob here. You can turn it all the way down, and when it is all the way down, when someone enters the doorway, then there won't be any sound. But if you turn it up, of course, then you will receive your chime that you've set when someone enters through the doorway. Now let me show you the actual sensor here. Now the sensor here is an infrared beam that it shoots with this sensor, and inside the box it has a 9-volt battery. And there's 2 ways you can actually mount this sensor. One way, you can mount it over the door, and if your business will not allow you to mount it over the door, it can also be mounted beside it and where the beam is shooting across. Now the motion detection beam is very narrowly focused, so at 8-foot distance from the sensor transmitter, the area detection zone is less than 1 foot wide by 6 feet across. Now you can use just one transmitter if you choose, or multiple entry door sensors can be added to cover the entryways, and the receiver will sound a specific chime for each entryway that you choose to set that chime for. Alright, now I'm going to show you 2 of the 4 optional chimes that you can use with this system, the RX TX-1000A. I have my receiver that is over to the right of me. You can't see it, but I also have my sensor that is right here to the left of me here sitting on the table, and I've got it set up so when I pass through, as simulating passing through a door entry, then you can hear one of these 4 sounds that has a really nice, pleasant chime to it. Now that is one of the 4 optional sounds, and let me show you one other optional sound that it makes. And remember, it has up to 4 optional different chimes, and this tone is a pleasant tone that you just heard, but let me show you another tone right away. Alright, here's one more chime that is available between the 4 option chimes that you have, and as I walk past the sensor simulating going through the doorway, then it's going to sound. It's really a great system, and it works really great. And as you can see there, it is a great system. It works really great. Each chime is pleasant, and you've only heard 2, but it has up to 4 optional chimes, and this system is really fantastic.